Hello my dear children, welcome back to English language class once again, and today in this class I am going to teach you the topic active passive voice. Okay, so here we go, the topic active passive voice. So first of all you should know the definition of each, what is active voice and what is passive voice. So here you go, here definition. What is active voice here? The verb that expresses the action is done by the subject. It's said to be in the active voice. That means the subject does the action. If the subject is performing the action, so this type of sentence is called, it is said to be in an active voice. Like for example, you can see here, Ram helps Sita. Ram is a subject here. Okay, and Ram is performing the action here. Action is a, that means action is a verb. So help is a verb. Okay, and Sita here is an object. So here Ram is performing the action. That means the subject is the doer of the action. Okay, so if the subject is the doer of the action, then it is said to be in a active voice. All right. Next one you can see here, what is passive voice now? Passive voice means passive voice that expresses what is done to the subject. It's said to be in a passive voice. That means here subject is the receiver of the action. Okay, subject is receiving what the action has been done in the passive form. Like Sita is a subject here, but here she is receiving the action done by who? By Ram. Alright. Now this you can solve it from changing from active to passive or passive to active in a very simple and easy method that you can apply this formula here. Okay, this is the easiest way that I have explained here. Like whether the sentence is active or in a passive voice, you will have a subject, verb and an object. Okay, this you will have. Like for example, a sentence in active form, he helps me. He is the subject here. Okay, helps is a verb and object is me here. So what you can do is you can bring directly, you can draw like this line. Okay, so the object is coming front, subject is going back and verb straight coming down. Alright, so in that way me is the object. So this, when it comes here receiving an action, so me becomes I. Okay, me is changing into I, and the verb, main verb, when it's changing into from active to passive. Okay, so you need to use the helping verb also, like am is a helping verb. So here helps becomes I am helped, and you need to add here by when the subject is going here in the passive voice. So you need to add by, and he becomes him in the passive voice. So I am helped by him. In this way, the easiest method to solve such questions. Next, you can apply this formula as well. It is very important for you all to know and understand and apply in your chapter. Okay, like if the sentence are in a active voice and you need to change in a passive voice. Okay, so if your verb comes like this in a present form, writes, so when you change into passive form you need to add is plus written. So writes becomes is plus written. Next one, if the sentence of the verb is shall, will, write, so this again changes into shall and will be same, but again be is added here with write becomes written. Okay, next one, was writing, it is in a past continuous form. So was will be was here, but since it is in a continuous form, so if the sentence are in a continuous form, what you will do? You have to add being. Okay, don't forget to add being if the sentence is in a continuous form. That means verb is in a continuous form. So you need to add being plus writing becomes written. So was being written. Okay. Next sentence, past form here, had plus written. Written is the verb. Now here had will remain same, but since it is in a continuous form, so you need to add here again been. Sorry, it is not in a continuous form, it is in a perfect tense, past perfect. So you need to add here past perfect, you will need to add been. Okay, so had plus been, written remains same, had been written. So if you apply this, okay, when you are changing from active to passive, so very easily you will be able to solve the questions. Okay. Now in this chapter, question may be in a different type of sentences, okay, or different tenses. So you need to understand the tenses and changing its form also, like this formula I have explained here. In the same way you will apply this formula in each tenses. Okay, I am going to show you how to apply it now here. Like first of all, we will begin with the simple tense. So how will you change if a question is in a simple tense? So in an active voice, like here you see A means active voice, P means passive voice. Okay, so question in active voice, she buys a book, that means it is a simple sentence. Okay, so what will happen in a simple sentence like here, writes becomes is plus written, that means this is a perfect form. Okay, so here this is the past participle form of the verb. So past participle form of the verb of buy becomes bought, that means as in the formula I have taught you, crisscross formula, so that you can apply here. So a book, so this a book, again it comes back here, see here, a book is bought, like formula is here. Okay, is plus past participle form. Okay, so is bought here, again this sentence now see here, C came here, that means again added with the by, this I had explained you in the formula. So a book is bought by her. So it's simple. Okay, you just have to apply that method that I have explained you. Next, in a continuous form, how will you change in a continuous form? Like continuous means, see here, read, ing form is there, that means it is a continuous form. Wherever you see ing in the sentence, that means the sentence is in a continuous form. Like in active voice, she was reading a book. Again you can apply formula here same way, a book will come here, see, was being, this was being, like see here, where here I have taught was, if there is ing form, so I said you have to apply being and past participle form here, that means was being came here. Okay, and past participle form of the read will be read, so being read by her, applying in a same method. Next, in a perfect tense, so perfect tense, like you can see here the verb is done, so this is already in a perfect tense. So again you will change her work came here, see, her work has been done, verb is here, has been done, see here, had written, so here had been written. In the same way here, perfect tense here, so has been done by her. Again this she, by adding by, and she changes into her in the passive voice. Okay, so this was your tenses. Now there are like means a little bit problem with the sentence also. Now sentence may be in a different form, like imperative sentence it can be interrogative sentence also. So there also you should know how to change it. Okay, there also you need to apply some method and the formulas. Okay, like here in active voice, carry it home means imperative sentence means what? It is giving advice, command or a request. or it can be order also. Okay, so here like carry it home, that means it is an order. So wherever you see imperative sentence, so what you will do, you need to apply this formula, let plus object plus be plus past participle form of the verb. So applying this formula, see let is added here, it is the object, so let it is here, be, and past participle form of the verb is carried home, let it be carried home. So this is also very simple way you can do it. Last one, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is what? Question mark. Okay, so here is one question, did Alpana invite you? It is a question mark. So if the question is starts with did, what you are supposed to do in a passive also, it has to be in a interrogative sentence only. That means were. If the question is beginning with did, then you will begin with were. Were you invited? Invite becomes invited by Alpana. So these are the few simple method that I have explained. I hope you will do it well with this understanding and solve the exercise questions. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home.